Hi everyone, my name is Cheyenne. I live out in California in the San Francisco Bay Area. At this point in my life, I've decided to pursue a master's degree because I've had a lot of trauma in my life as well, and I've always felt very motivated to give back to others. More specifically, I love kids. I love kids who have also experienced trauma and those in the juvenile justice system. And I feel that way because I think a lot of the trauma happened in my late to early, my late adolescence into my early 20s. And so that's a period of my life I think that I need to give back to and to mend that not only within myself, but, to do that, I think in healing myself, I need to heal others along the way. I kind of wound up in wanting to do a master's degree because I currently have my bachelor's in sociology, social work, and parks and rec management, and I am actively a group home manager for probation and foster teens down in San Jose, in South Bay area. And so I do a lot of case management and working with kids who have a lot of past of terrible and severe trauma and abuse and neglect, and still trying to find someone that cares. So I provide a safe environment for them. We have 6 kids, and I really just want to start you know changing the lives of more people. And I think in doing that, a master's degree in social work is really going to get me to where I'm going. So I hope to eventually wind up in a juvenile justice center where I could do counseling or social work in there. But this is definitely a field I'm so passionate about, and I am so ready to get going. And I'm thrilled to start my second class in this program. So thanks, everyone. Nice to be your classmate yet again. Thanks.